what is a budget? So we're doing this budgeting chapter, which is a chapter related to costing. Can you
Mm.
tell me what is a budget?
Limit.
Limit.
Yeah.
Limit as in?
As in like limit of value or volume.
No. When I talk about a budget, right? You know that the finance minister prepares a budget every end of financial year.
Yes.
So budget is basically a plan that you prepare in advance for a fixed period. That means I am going to do this in the next month. I am going to buy this much quantity in the next month. I am going to buy goods worth this value in the next month. So you can anticipate or you can plan your revenue, you can plan your expenditure, you can plan that I am going to buy this assets, I am going to pay off this liability, I am going to have this much cash inflow, this much cash outflow. So whenever you're planning something for anything, revenue, expenses, production, purchases, sales, cash inflow, cash outflow. So, whenever you're planning anything in advance for a fixed period, okay, that in the next month or in the next year, you are going to get this, that is called a budget. Can you read this? You understand what is a budget?
Yeah. Budget is a plan, miss, during a fixed period of time, which can
Okay.
be expressed in quantitative terms.
So, you
Basically,
can
your
make
value or volume.
budgets for what? If you're a
Value or
business,
yeah,
okay, you will plan for what things
like your revenue and expected revenue, your
and
expenses,
and
assets, liabilities, and cash flow.
what is the role of budgeting? Why do you do budgeting?
To maximize the use of your resources.
What does this mean?
It's like if you set a budget and then you have to work around that to meet your short-term goals or long-term goals. You
So,
work
how
around
do
your
you maximize the use of economic resources?
one example could be finding alternative suppliers who can deliver products at like a cheaper rate.
Okay. So, if you know that you have only $100, so you
Yeah.
would plan things that would rotate around this $100.
Yes.
So, by planning, you are making the best use of the available resources.
Yes.
What else could be the role of budgeting? It encourages planning.
Forcing management to plan ahead,
It
set target.
forces the management to plan ahead. It sets targets. It anticipates problem. This theory comes for your paper, so you
Mm.
need to learn this.
Yeah.
Okay, so it requires the management to forecast. They will future. They will see the future activities.
Mm-mm.
Okay, now if I have planned something and something works against my plan, so what will I have to do?
Mm,
I will have to control.
yeah.
I
You'll
have
have to
planned to spend $100.
yeah.
When I am actually doing something is going against, it's going 200. It is going 300. So it is going to provide the management with control mechanism. You have to match your plans, and if something is not matching your plans, you need to control. So the third role of budgeting is it provides the management with control mechanisms. What do I
Mm.
mean by this? That whatever is happening, it must confirm, it must match your plan. If I expect to spend $100, my happening, what is happening, the event that is happening should match it. Okay. It is very important that your business compares your actual results with your planned results. In actual, maybe you're reaching 100, This is planned. I can spend up till $100. Actual I am spending $80. Good, favorable. But if your actuals is not confirming with your planned figure, so you need to compare, and then you need to find out variance. And then when you know that you have exceeded your plans, what you planned, then you have to find out reason for the same. If the reason is something that you can control, then you need to take corrective actions. So this is
Okay.
owned management by exception, and it allows the management to focus on what is happening. It gives them a control mechanism. It is not like that what is happening, let it happen. You have to plan in advance that this is what you can spend. This is what you have actually spent. Now there is something which is happening against you. So you have to plan again. So it provides a management with what? It provides a management with control mechanisms. Are you with me? I want to
Yeah.
read the role of budgeting.
Oh,
This is the role of budgeting. Okay. Now we talk about our very first budget, which is the revenue budget. What is the revenue budget? Can you tell me? Can you tell me what's a revenue budget? You're planning, right?
oh yeah, your expected revenue.
So your revenue budget is going to tell you your expected revenue. How do
Yes.
you get your revenue? Your
Miss.
revenue could be in volume or your revenue could be in value.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
When I say my revenue could be in volume, that means this is the quantitative revenue. And when I say it could be in value, that means it is the revenue in pounds. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. Can you read this question?
The revenue budget. Okay. Motorhome Limited is start to manufacturing and selling motorhomes directly to the public. The following information is available. Three models will be made: the L, the XL, and the EXE.
Hmm.
Sales units are budgeted to be two Ls, three XLs, and one EXE per month. Motorhomes will sell for 48,500 for the L and 55,000 for the XL and 70,000 for the EXE model. Okay.
You're
So,
asked
Miss, you
to
just,
prepare revenue budget.
yeah,
If I am preparing revenue budgets, I want in units and I want in value. So I
yeah,
would say I want the revenue budget
for 3 months. Okay.
3 months. I want the revenue budget in units and I want the revenue budgets in value.
Okay.
Okay, pounds. Okay. What are the three units that I'm making?
L, XL, and EXE.
Okay. So I'm making model L, model XL, and I'm
Yep.
making model EXE.
Yep.
Similarly, here it's written in units. So I am making model L, model XL, I'm
Model EXE.
making model EXE. Are you with me?
Yeah.
For how many months do I need it?
For 3 months.
For 3 months.
Yeah.
So if I need it for 3 months, what will I write? Month one,
Month one, month two, month three.
month
Uh,
two, and month three. Are you with
yeah.
me?
Yeah.
Similarly, I will write month one, month two, and month three.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Then, come on, tell
Uh,
me.
okay, so basically for the formula for this is the your number of units into the selling price. So it'll be two Ls, three XL, and
You
one
want,
E.
you want it in units and you want in value. So,
Okay, so for units it'll be two Ls, three XL, and one EXE for all the months.
okay, just a minute, okay? Tell me for all the months it will be how much?
Uh, so is for two Ls, three XL, and one EXE
12, 3XL, and 1EXE.
for all months. It's the same.
Okay. So what
So
is your
your
total sales?
so your total
Unit.
would come up to six. So total would be nine. for the whole 3 months. I mean,
Hmm.
no, no, no. Sorry, not nine. 18.
Okay, I want for per month. Okay, now for the this one.
But for the revenue, I
Hmm.
mean, not for the value, it's basically a number of units into the
But they've
selling
given us
price.
the already, right? They've not given
Yeah.
us selling price, but they've given us the total.
No, but there's a selling price.
L, XL, and EXE. Okay, yeah, they've given us the selling price.
Yeah.
So L will be sold for 48,500.
45, 48,500 into 2.
Hmm. How much? I'll do the
Okay.
calculation or you will do it?
I'll do that.
Yeah,
48,500 into 2.
97.
97.
So it will be 97,000 for all the three.
Yeah.
Okay, units into selling price. How about Excel?
165,000.
Then
70,000.
are you doing it with me?
Yeah.
You're sure? You're sure you're doing it with me?
No, not sure, miss.
Hmm. So total revenue will be how much?
Total
It
7.
will be 332,000, 332,000, and 332,000. So this is how you make your revenue budget. Whatever they've asked, you do it.
Yeah.
Okay. The marking scheme is down. Now this is the activity. I want you to do the revenue budget yourself and then we will discuss. It is to
Okay.
be revenue budgets in units for the months March to June and revenue budget in pounds for the months March to June. So when you're talking about the revenue budget, you basically have to make the revenue budget in units and
Yeah.
revenue budgets in pounds.
Yeah.
So you have to make for March, April, May, and June.
Yeah.
In units, it's going to be sold for pound 12.
Yeah.
So when I'm talking about units, how is it? 400 pairs
Into 12.
into 12. So
That'll give me 40.
400 for units here. This is the revenue budget in units.
Yeah.
So 400 into 12 would give you 4,800. There would be 10% increase on March sales. So if I say 10% increase on March sales, that means for March it is 400. So for April it would be 400 plus 10% of 400. It is how much?
440. So like 40.
You need to show workings. That is why I'm doing it for you.
Okay.
Then in May it will be 10% on April sales.
484.
So 440 plus 10% of 440 is 44. So it is 484
Yep.
for May. And for June,
484. Same thing.
sales as per May sales
Yeah.
would be equal to the May sales.
Yep.
So they want March to June only. Na? So why have they done July, August?
I didn't do July, August.
Sales as per June sales, but with an increase in price of $1. Let's do July, August also.
Okay.
So July sales will be 484.
It will
But the
be into
selling
13.
price would be
13.
selling price would be not
13.
12, increase in the selling price 13.
So it'll be 6,292.
Yeah. And August sales will be 25% decrease on July sales. So August sales would be, what is your July sales?
484
Minus
minus
25%
121.
of 484.
121.
So it will be 484 minus 121, which is going to make it 363 units.
Yep.
And the selling price would be how much?
13.
Yeah, into 13. So they've not told us anything, so it will be in line with the July sale. So this is how you make your revenue budget in units and your revenue budget in pound value. Are you with
Uh,
me?
yeah,
I'll go to the next budget.
yeah.
Okay, fine.